A major leak has just surfaced, giving us the most detailed look yet at what appears to be DJI's upcoming ultralight drone, likely the Mini 5 Pro. The image, shared by trusted leaker Igor Bogdanov, shows the drone in the wild, wrapped in typical prototype labels, a signature DJI move during real-world testing. One of the standout features: omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. While the front isn't clearly visible, earlier reports suggest it may house LiDAR-level sensors, something previously unheard of in drones under 250 grams. The propeller guards look ultralight, clearly designed to keep the weight under the 249 grams threshold for minimal regulation. A curious design twist: it seems to sport fixed props with built-in safety cages, raising questions about its folding mechanism. Could the arms rotate? Are the cages removable? We'll have to wait and see. The camera appears to be the crown jewel of this release. Rumors suggest a much larger 1-inch sensor, promising significantly better performance in low light and overall image quality. This would be a dramatic leap from previous mini drones. The new camera module is more exposed, possibly to allow full 360-degree rotation, similar to what we've seen in DJI's higher-end gear like the Mavic 4 and Osmo Pocket. This could unlock entirely new levels of creativity for drone filmmakers. And yes, obstacle avoidance tech is evolving too. The Mini 5 Pro may use a new front-facing infrared system, rumored to detect obstacles up to 25 meters away with a wide-angle field of view. The chassis design even includes larger bulges to accommodate this upgraded tech without interfering with gimbal movement. Under the hood, the drone is reportedly getting more powerful motors with visible ventilation, a first for the Mini lineup. That hints at improved wind resistance and potentially higher payloads. DJI might also be adding quick-release propellers, no more tiny screws. Onboard storage is also getting a boost, with 32 gigabytes of built-in memory expected. Handy for those moments when you forget your microSD card. The biggest battery upgrade yet is also on the horizon. An FCC filing revealed a 4,680 mAh battery rated at 33.5 Wh, substantially larger than what we saw in the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. Realistically, we could be looking at 50 to 55 minutes of flight time. A plus battery option might even push that further, depending on weight and regulations. The drone is expected to feature DJI's latest O4 video transmission system with a range up to 20 kilometers, matching high-end models like the Air 3S. It will likely support the C2 controller, Arcon 3 motion control, and even DJI's newest FPV goggles. Though some sources claim their C-Track feature might, there are also whispers of new smart features, voice command integration, and app audio recording for vloggers, and a dedicated flight mode button to activate pre-programmed moves without even using the remote. All signs point to a drone designed for both serious creators and casual users. Now let's talk launch window and pricing. Based on leaks and field testing evidence from sources like Jasper Ullens and Hakasushi, DJI may release the Mini 5 Pro in September 2025. As for pricing, the base version bundled with their C2 controller and one battery could start around $850. The Fly More combo, likely including their C2 screen controller and extra batteries, might push up to $1,200. That positions it well between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S. If the rumors are true and the Mini 5 Pro truly delivers a 1-inch sensor, omnidirectional sensing, and a 360-degree rotating gimbal in an ultralight body, this could be DJI's most powerful mini drone yet. What kind of shots would you take with this kind of tech? Let us know your ideas. Now, let's shift gears to DJI's next move in the action camera space, the Osmo Nano. This new device is aimed squarely at creators who want a seamless, hands-free experience. The Osmo Nano looks set to rival the likes of the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and the Insta360 Go 3S, with a more refined take on wearable modular cameras. Leaked images show a dual-module design. The top part houses the camera and appears slightly bulkier than competitors, hinting at upgraded optics or advanced stabilization. The lower module, likely the battery and controls, snaps on magnetically and may include a micro screen, buttons, and audio components. A magnetic lanyard allows it to attach to your chest, making it ideal for POV shooting. A flip-up screen is expected, giving vloggers a selfie-friendly option. Core features like 4000 video, robust stabilization Rocksteady 3.0 Plus, and seamless integration with DJI's app ecosystem are anticipated. DJI has learned from its previous modular experiment the Action 2 and is clearly aiming for a more durable, user-friendly setup this time around. According to FCC documentation, the camera will use two model numbers, one for the camera unit and one for the display module, confirming its modular approach. The FCC listing also mentions low-power communication using spread spectrum technology, suggesting long battery life and smooth wireless interaction between components. Rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Osmo Nano may shoot 4K at up to 120 fps. With DJI's strong track record in low-light performance and stabilization, this camera could be a game-changer for action sports, travel, and drone footage alike. Durability remains a key concern. Wearable cameras face harsh conditions from mountain trails to water sports, so DJI will need to ensure the Nano can handle serious abuse. A tough, well-built frame with a magnetic system that won't easily detach is essential. The Osmo Nano is expected to launch in late July 2025 with pricing estimated between $300 and $400. This could make it a strong value competitor in the compact camera space. As DJI reportedly explores a 360-degree camera and other wearable tech, the Osmo Nano may be just the beginning of a broader push into portable content creation tools. What's your take? Will the Mini 5 Pro become the king of ultralight drones? Can the Osmo Nano take on GoPro and Insta360? Share your thoughts, we'd love to hear what you think.